Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G100, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this smartphone. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to choose Apps and Notifications, tap on Advanced and click on Permission Manager. Over here, pick one of your phone's features like Location and select one of your apps. For example, Calendar. Now pick one of those options by clicking on the one that you wish to set up. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with allow only while using the app, so when I go back I can set that calendar, gain access to this device location while I'm using it. But you can always just click on one of your apps and select see all calendar permissions. Then manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!